Hi, Big Big. Hi, Lazy Days. You can send me now. Super chat, super things. You want to send me, just send me now. Super chat, super things. My super is getting back, Lazy Days. You can send me now. Oh. I gotta go. Thanks for talking. Okay, Stu. Take care. Thank you for your time. Hi, Paolo. Hi, shout out to all my viewers. Welcome to my live. I love your outfit. Thank you, Joliam. Thank you so much. I bought it yesterday. Hi, shout out to all my viewers. Welcome to my live. You can send me super chat, super things. If you want to ask me, just send me on my PayPal. If you want to ask me anything, or you can send me super chat, super things. If you want to ask me, guys. And you can join on my Patreon membership. Don't forget to join, guys. Lazy Days, thank you for replying me. Melvin Official Vlog. Hi, shout out. Tamsak na naman. Hindi po kasi ako nagtitiwala kung kanina. I didn't trust anyone. Support po, yes, okay, I will support you later. Guys, look. This is cotton buds, guys. Looks cute, guys. Hi, shout out to all my viewers. Welcome to my live.